Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today was supposed to be the day that I take Stephanie here out for a test run with the new Caltracs and leaf springs on it, but it has been raining. It's been raining off and on now. When I first woke up this morning, it was partly sunny, and then it started downpouring. Starting to dry out right now, so let's see if that holds up. If that holds up, we'll take her for a test rip. Alright guys, well, just got back from my test drive, testing out the new mono leafs and the Caltracs. And first and foremost, I gotta say, Calvert Racing, big thumbs up for me. The car handled great. I didn't really get on it too much. I just kind of rolled into the throttle and gave it about half or so throttle. But it definitely plants and goes. So I am looking forward to doing some more test hits and next season bringing this puppy to the track. And that's going to do it for today's video, guys. As always, if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button right now. Click the thumbs up on this video if you like Calvert Racing and Caltracs. And I'll see you on the next one.